Today, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a video when it comes to your Odoo website. First thing you want to do is head over to the editing panel of your Odoo website. And then at the top right, you see this edit button. You want to click on this. Now, just under inner content, you see this thing called video. So you want to click on video and drag it to wherever you want it to be shown. Now, this is where the video is. Now, to edit it, simply click on this thing. You want to click on replace, and then you can either take like a URL from YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Youku. Do you want it to be an autoplay loop? Things like that. You could also click on documents, images, things like that. Or you could just, the best thing would be to publish it on YouTube and then take it because you cannot directly upload. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.